Hello everyone. An open letter to Doc Warner. Dear Doc Warner, I've been a fan of you and your Rubbers cartoons for the past 14 years of my life, and I'm looking forward to the second season of the reboot airing on Hulu on November 5th. But among you and your Rubbers, it is you whom my opinion on you has changed because of the reboot. I never really liked I'm Cute. In fact, I made a video on July 22nd, 2020, explaining why. But now that the reboot has an, in my opinion, worse song about cuteness, I've come to look at it in a different light. You are proud of your cuteness, and you just can't help it. And your brothers can't help that you are cute. As an older rubber to a cute sister myself, I agree. I also never really liked the fact that although your rubber songs are geography based, your most famous song is not geography based or even educational in any way. Your song about the First Ladies is actually my favorite song from the reboot. Although I never understood why it would air in an election year, meaning we would very quickly have to update it, but there would be no way of knowing. As your older represent in the first episode of the reboot, the writers are writing this in 2018. You are very cute, and you know that you shouldn't try to make everything cute. You found that the hard way. You are very witty. As the new theme song says, you have wit. And so my view of the... And so, yes, the reboot has changed my opinion of you. And I hope you agree on that. Sincerely, make you smarter. Bye.